Hello, today we will learn about function notation. A quick recap is that you already know how to spot a function. Now let's write them properly. A function is a relation where every input has exactly one output. When x equals 1, y equals 5, and when x equals 2, y equals 8. Each input still shows up once. That part hasn't changed. What is new? Instead of writing y, we'll write f of x. It looks different, but it means the exact same thing. The output of the function for a given input. Function notation just makes it clear which function produced that output. Reading f of x. F of x equals 2x plus 3. In this equation, f is the name of the function. It could be f, g, h, or anything. The x is the input that you plug in. This is what goes inside the parentheses. And then the 2x plus 3. It is the rule. What to do with that input to get to the output. How to evaluate. 2 steps at every time. The first step is to substitute. Replace every x in the rule with the input value. Wrap it in parentheses if it is negative. And then the second step is to simplify. Follow order of operations to get a single number. That number is your output. F of x equals 2x plus 3. Find f4. We'll substitute the x for 4 in each of them. Using the f of x in the other side, we'll substitute f of x to f4. f4 equals to 2 into 4 plus 3. Then that becomes 8 plus 3. And then when we add it, it becomes 11. Example 1 is a simple linear rule. Given the function below, find f4. Substitute x equals 4. f4 equals 2 into 4 plus 3. You have to replace every x with 4. Then the second step is to multiply first. Then f of 4 equals a plus 3. Order of operations. Multiply before adding. And then now we add. f4 equals 11. 11 is the output. So f4 equals to 11. A negative input. Given the function below, find f into negative 3. F of x equals x squared minus 5. The first step is to substitute x equals negative 3 for every x we substitute with negative 3. So f negative 3 equals to negative 3 squared minus 5. And for the negative 3, we wrap up the negative input in parentheses, and this matters. The second step is to square first. F of negative 3 is 9 minus 5. We get negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. This is a positive number. 3. Subtract. We do 9 minus 5 and that equals 4. So f negative 3 equals 4. That is the output for this function. Watch out for this. The most common function notation mix-ups. Reading f of x as f times x. It is not multiplication. F of x is one simple meaning, quote unquote, the output of f at x. Ignoring order of operations. Exponents and multiplication still happen before addition and subtraction. Forgetting parentheses or negatives. F negative 3 needs negative 3 substituted in. Skipping the parentheses causes sign errors. Mixing up f of x with f of a for a different letter. The letter inside the parentheses is just the input. F of a means plug a in for x. You can now write functions. You can now read it. F of x means f of x, not multiplication. Evaluate it, substitute the input, then simplify. Watch signs. Wrap negative inputs in parentheses. Coming up next is domain and range in function notation. You already know domain and range from graphs. Next, we'll write and describe them using function notation and integral language. Subscribe for more Algebra 1 lessons, examples and practice every week.